Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever noticed that your skin can look hydrated yet still feel a little tight or lack that fresh, plump bounce? That's exactly what we're exploring today with the LX HA4 Jelly Serum, a hyaluronic acid-focused hydra-plumping serum designed for combination, dry, and normal skin. It promises hydration, a glowing complexion, and support for skin repair. So let's see how it actually performs. From the get-go, this serum has a lightweight, jelly texture that glides smoothly onto the skin. Its star ingredient, hyaluronic acid, works to draw moisture into the skin layers, creating that sought-after plumpness. The formula is designed for both face and neck application, so it's versatile enough to integrate into your morning or evening routine. The packaging is sleek, and the 30 ml bottle has a pump, which helps control product usage while keeping it hygienic. When I applied the serum, it absorbed quickly without leaving any sticky residue, a huge plus for layering under moisturizers or makeup. I noticed an immediate softening effect, and within a week of consistent use, my skin felt noticeably more hydrated and comfortable, especially in areas prone to dryness. The serum's subtle glow effect gave a healthy, natural radiance without appearing greasy, making it suitable for all-day wear. I have to mention that while the hydration boost is impressive, the serum isn't designed to address deeper wrinkles or dramatic skin tightening on its own. It's really excellent for daily moisture support and enhancing the skin's natural glow. Pros: lightweight, fast-absorbing, suitable for multiple skin types, and easy to incorporate into any routine. The jelly texture makes application enjoyable, and the hydration benefits are consistent. Cons: if you're looking for strong anti-aging effects or targeted wrinkle reduction, you'll need to combine it with other actives. Also, the 30 ml bottle may feel small if you use it generously twice daily. In terms of value, the serum offers a high-quality hyaluronic acid formulation that delivers on its hydrating promise. While it sits in the mid to premium price range, the results, especially for dry or combination skin, justify the cost. Compared to other hydrating serums on the market, the LX HA4 stands out for its texture and quick absorption, though there are more budget-friendly options if you're mainly looking for basic hydration. The build quality is solid. The pump dispenses just the right amount without leakage, and the bottle feels durable enough for everyday use. Since I haven't needed to contact customer service, I can't speak from personal experience, but LX has a solid reputation for responsiveness should any issues arise. If you're exploring alternatives, more affordable hyaluronic acid serums can provide hydration, but the jelly consistency and glow-boosting effect of LX HA4 are unique perks that make it worth considering for those who want a premium feel and immediate comfort. Overall, the LX HA4 Jelly Serum delivers exactly what it promises: intense hydration, a natural glow, and a plumped, refreshed feel to your skin. It's ideal for anyone looking to enhance moisture levels, particularly if you deal with dryness or combination skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for visiting Beautyistic. If you've tried this serum, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.